Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add Google Tag Manager code to your Shopify website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can get started with logging into your Shopify account in the upper right corner. And after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen you can see all the sections you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with Shopify and adding that code to our website. So what we want to do first, guys, is go ahead and open up the online store section right here under sales channels. Go ahead and open up online store. This is going to automatically open up your section for themes, where you can take a look at your theme that you can get started with customizing. And basically what we're using is the three dots right here. These three dots next to the theme name are going to open up this menu where we have one of the options called edit code. So let's go ahead and open up edit code. Now guys, as you can see right here on the official help Shopify page, we can see how to get started using Google Tag Manager. Basically guys, you want to go ahead and get started with the checkout liquid option. So basically we want to check out liquid, find right here in the edit code option. So let's go ahead and take a look at the search bar right here, search for checkout. So as you can see guys, this is not going to give us a list of all the options we have for managing our store. If you do not have your checkout liquid, what you can do guys is go ahead and create your new code. So in the new layouts or in the new templates, you can get started with adding your liquid. So we have the theme liquid option right here. If you want, you can even add the checkout liquid option to your theme liquid option right here. If not, go ahead and click add a new layout and go ahead and create a new checkout liquid section. In that section, you want to get started with pasting your Google Tag Manager code and your API that you'll be able to find in Google Tag Manager. So go ahead and copy the code and paste it into your liquid option file right here. This is where you can get started with editing your code. So once you have set everything up and added your code, you want to click the save button in the upper right corner and go back to your store, and this is automatically going to add the Google Tag Manager to your store, and you can now go ahead and follow your analytics. But yeah guys, that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.